So guys, let's go to Google Earth, playing Google Earth with everybody part 1, because just ignore where I live. They're really used for tracking your location, so you guys might be some stalkers or guessing it's Winnipeg, Pennywise, or say it, just say it right there. Okay, so basically, we're gonna go to Russia because there is an ongoing Ukraine-Russia war. Okay, we're gonna go to Kharkiv, whatever this Russian random city is. What can I go to? Oh, did I just go to the eastern bits? So is this what it looks like? Why do the power lines look so different? And these things also look like creepy faces smiling at you. Not a good location, Ukraine. I mean, building, whatever. Houses, abandoned houses. There might be a monster somewhere in there. Let me go somewhere around the loop, whatever. Ew, where does this road go to? I'm gonna go there. Hey, does it go to stupid town again? Whatever, I can't go there. Well, I don't know because my battery is gonna run out, so bye.